So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Richard Professional. So today we finally bring something more perfect up to the butterfly layers for long hair, which can be give to the top to bottom with proper even unique layers which can be mentioned, and the bouncier look. You just seen that before presentation was completely standing out of the layers. So that's a regard we just choose with the long butterfly layers for silky straight hair. So let's step by step explain you each and every points in this haircuts. Please stay tuned, watch till the end. You'll come to know exactly each and every sections how we just taken and how we just going to be elevate the layers and how we just take to the before that to graduation of the bottom layer haircut. Each and everything we mentioned in this haircut with proper tutorial based. So if you're really new to my channel, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I every time brings with some new concept after the subjects and kind of different ethical of haircuts each and every time. So let's get started. So we're going to be take with all the sections got separated in the back and crown portion and front section and side by side. Now we're just going to be divide the back section as well now. So after that we're just going to be explain help after the comb in each and every section how we just going to be elevate and execute the hair layering techniques and all. So if you're really interested into the learn the technical courses and offline classes, please let me know in the comments below, and we have a drop to the contact number over there. Please contact us for more regarding haircut courses. So we willing to be launched with 1 month basic courses as well. So as soon as possible, once it will be fulfilled on the students will be going to be start as soon as with certifications. So let's get started. We just explaining help to the comb now. So each and every side we just explain, and finally we just start to the one length basic from the bottom. After one length basic we just we're going to take like a bottom layer haircut after this. So finally we start with the bottom layer haircut in the back. The thin section by section we're just going to be finished with both the sides. Then after that I just separate and just do the plating on the rest of the bottom hair. Before that and just take a small guideline towards for elevation layers. As you can just see, the rest of the hair I'm just plating. After that I'm released with the crown, bottom crown portions, which needs to be create the elevation of the layers. You can just see in the long layers is ultimately and huge long hair. You can just see something long distance how we will just going to be elevate the layers and connect with the guideline. See the guideline I picked exactly with. I'm just going to be connect all the hair towards 90 to 120 degree, all the hair towards just connecting on the guideline, and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers. So this is a simple and basic concept which can be given to the butterfly layers, and that can be given to the massive changes end of the day when they save the length, and it will be give more layers and bouncy look, and it looks so fashionable, and density will be remain. The length also never going to be collapse. So these many benefits in this butterfly layers you will be see end of the day. So hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So section by section, all thin section I'm just going to pick, and the rest of the hair we're just going to be trim the hair layers to converting. So one side section is got finished. After that I'm just cross checking. So after that I'll come to another side. I'm just taking as carry forward the previous guideline to this side one. So that is it. Step by step we are giving to be something butterfly layers, thin sections. That is the secret up to the carrying perfect layers, which can be visible bouncier and ultimate look, and it will be end of the day it will standing out each and every haircut unity. So we are trying to be put and pushed to be best out of the box on the haircut, and after finish the haircut I'm just cross checking. So after that I'll come to the side portion. So before start the layer I'm just giving to one length basic. So previous guideline pick from the back, and rest of the hair going to be directly elevate. A step by step thin section. We just atmosphere just giving to it as much as possibly. We just giving to it proper finishing on the butterfly layers with all the sides, because the layers is mandatory, which is after give it to the finish. And after that I'm just cross checking. So I'll come to another side. After that the same before giving to the layers and just giving with one length basic. So this is each and every haircut will be mandatory when you just take to the section by section. All the side sections must carry forward with one length basic. It's mandatory for each and every haircut. And after that I'm just taking as layering and previous guideline pick from the back. So that is the secret after the giving to the step by step thin section of layering with all the hair. Section by section. The last section I'm just going to be finished. After that I'm cross checking. So slightly with the backside portion, side one, and just giving with slight trim up to the feather haircut. Very little and very fine work. So after that I'm just going to be release the crown portion, center of the crown with big horseshoe section. Now this is major sections which can be entirely layers with leading very perfectly, and overall the head it will be carry forward perfect layers and giving to the matching and perfect finishing. I'm just going to be connect with the back portions exactly towards the layers. After that, I'll come to another side. Now I'm cross-checking with both the sides, and after that I'm just going to start with the fringe section and giving with thin section of the cotton bangs of the short bases and very little thin layers. So that can be make something pretty perfection on the end of the day when they leave the open hair and even tie the hair. All the sides is flexibly they can manage it. So after that I'm just showing her messy hair before styling. She was happy with the length, and finally we're just going to be start the blow dry by section. The first section we're just going to be start. Remember guys, and this hair I'm just giving very less blow volume, blow heat as well. And why? Because it's very straight and silky hair, and it's never going to be stay back with something. It's more longer. Either it will be come to the turning to the curls also. She won't even wants to be in that kind of hairstyles, and even I don't want to be give such too much of the curls. Just spiral up with the end finishing and just giving with end finishing of the layers visibility purpose, flexible open styling, and just giving it. For this holding purpose I'm just leaving as spiral itself with both the side. The same technique and following it all in this side as well. So remember, whenever you do this any kind of haircuts, the spiral blow dry can be make something is perfect finishing and visible, very clean and neat according to my suggestion, and but also will be mandatory and will concern the hair texture as well. So according to the hair textures and the hair condition, you can just plan different way of hairstyles. So that can be end of the day presentation is it will be must require for looking very clean and neat as well. So and come to the side section, and just giving with the same way with the blow dry section by section of the spiral blow dry, so that can be give something clean and neat finishing, and it will be set up to the very proper end of the day is flexible and cleaner and neater and look like very bouncer in from the roots as well. So after that I'll come to another side. So we'll come to the crown portion. This is two section will be very significant to be given carrying forward with overall the haircut, which can be visible very bouncier, more voluminous look in this haircut. So this is will be very much concerned about to whenever we do the haircuts and the styling parts. This crown portion is very much important to show up to the perfect look and it will bouncier presentation end of the day. Finally, we're just going to finish with the front section. So that will be a last section of the blow dry. Then we're going to be released with complete up the haircut. This is the proper end finishing up to the presentation. So hope you guys all are understand and enjoyed through this video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regarding for course requirements, we have it in description below in the contact details. Please go there and contact us through that, and please follow us in Insta and Facebook page with same name after the channel. From the front you can just see with a complete up changes after the haircut, visible, very clean and a perfect finishing and minimal layers which can be seen some midlands to the bottoms. So that is a concern. She was expecting something visible, minimal layers and sufficient one, not to be too much of the layers. Don't want to be keep something more like silky and unnecessary things and all fine. So after that I'm just giving with the texture finishing which can be neat for a presentation up to the proper haircut finishing and carry forward very clean and long lasting as well. So remember guys, after done the haircut, is texture is major important role which can be perform haircut very clean and perfect as well. So whenever you do the haircut, after the haircut is mandatory, give it to the texture finishing. So that will be end up the complete of the finishing of my haircut. After that last fringe section I'm just going to be finish the texture. This is the final look after the texture as well. So hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.